Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today, I have take a topic and not topic. It is the chapter, and this chapter has been taken from the class 8, and the chapter name is "What Makes Me Indian." And this chapter has been written by the Ruskin Bond. Okay, so Ruskin Bond is a famous writer, essay writer, and the famous novelist writer, and he thinks about deeply of the Indian culture and tradition, and his native, it means his father's natives, his father's belongs from the England, but his mother's belongs from the India. So here the two tradition create between the two person. It means his father's and his mother's, and in both tradition the Ruskin mod hanging among this decision and tradition. So here is the sum of the important fact for him. That is the very that fact was very lovely for him, and this is the reason that he did not want to leave the India. And here he also expressed his feeling about the India. And when we read this chapter, then we have to know more feeling of the author, it means the Ruskin Bond, and why we know very well about that, why he is like of the India and Indian peoples. Okay, so let's start the video and know. The popular writer Ruskin Bonds has British parents, but he has lived in India most of life. It means his parents belong from the British. Ruskin Bond is a writer, and his parents belongs from the British. British is a that make uh, it is the in Europe side, and his parents lived there. It means his father's native is the in England, and he lived. It means the Ruskin Bond spent a lot of the time, many of the time spent in India, and in this essay he talks about what makes him Indian. Okay, and there are some qualities he counting us about the some of the qualities, some of the fact that is the important for him, and he represent that fact and that feeling before us, and tell us that why all these qualities makes him an Indian. Okay, so as the chapter start, there are many among us who given the opportunity to leave India. Firstly, he talking about some of the person that give him some of the opportunity. Opportunity means a chance. Okay, many of the person that have a that given him a chance or opportunity to leave the India. Okay, are only too happy to go. Okay, and as well as some of the people very happy when he left the India, as well as he also became very happy. Okay, but whenever I have had the chance to go away, I have held back. Okay, and the Ruskin Bond telling us that wherever he gets a chance to leave the India and go his father's native, so that chance will not become a long time or something has held me back. What is it that has such a hold on me? So here's the Ruskin Bong telling that he did not know about the fact any about of the region, that he whenever he want to left the India, that is the something is things, some object that the capturing him, and he returned back in India. Okay, next, but leaves others free to go where they will, sometimes never to return. Many years ago, I was offered well paid job at a magazine in Hong Kong. I thought about it for weeks, worried myself to distraction, and finally, with the great sigh of relief, turned down. Okay, so next he telling us that many of the person, it means some of the person that living the India, living their country, and they became freely go anywhere there he want, and sometimes never to return. And many of the person that they are, if they were going anywhere, they never return from there and many years ago. And next he telling us about uh, a happened when some of the years ago, when a company of the Hong Kong offered him a good job as a job as a writing his notes in a magazine. And this offer is a good for the Ruskin Bond, but the Ruskin Bond was very worried, and he thinking about it for a week, and worried myself to distract means, you know very well that here the became so worried that, okay, I was unable to think clearly. It means he completely confused that to live in India or to leave the India and join the Hong Kong company. Okay, so it is the critical decision for him. But after a week, after some time, he thinking about and finally get a decision. And what is decision? To great sigh of relief, and turn down. It means he reject the offer of Hong Kong. Okay. Next, my friend thought I was crazy. My friend thought my friend thought I was crazy. They still do. Most of them would have jumped at the comparable offer, even if it had meant spending the rest of their lives far from the palm fronted coast of the pine clad mountain of the land. Many friends have indeed gone away. Okay, never return. I expect perhaps to get married. Okay, so in this paragraph the writer says us that many of the friend, it means he had a lot of the friend in India, and some of the friend will became fast to him, and many of the friends thought about the Ruskin Bond. He is crazy. It means the Ruskin Bond was a crazy person. Why? Because he reject the offer of good opportunity that given by the Hong Kong, and they still do. And if they also accept, it means his friend also accept many of the proposal that given by the other company, and most of them would have to jumped at the comparable offer. Okay, and some of the friend also use such type of the comparable means as a similar offer. When someone offering him as a similar offer to his friend, then they also jumped means to get to take the opportunity of such type of the jobs, even if it had meant spending the rest of their lives. Okay, many of the friends that get the such type of the proposal, they lift the palm friended coast, and also lift the pine clad mountain of this land. It means India has a lot of the palm trees and pine clads. Okay, and they and his friends also missing such type of the opportunity. So this is the supernatural opportunity for the Ruskin Bond, and he never missing such type of the feeling of the resting under the palm tree and the pine clads. Okay, and some of the friends of Ruskin Bond that get such type of the chance, then his friends have indeed gone away and never return from other country. It means foreign country, and when expect perhaps to get married, and the risking bond also uh, thinking about that the friend of who is any friend that has gone to the foreign, they perhaps they get the marriage, okay, and very quickly before they are off again. And this, that is they join and earning money, and they lifting his time, wasting time. Some after is some time all these thing will be stopped, and don't they feel homesick, okay, and don't they feel homesick. It is, we can say that when a person will getting marriage and join the job, and then he completely busy in the homework, and we can say that this type of the person face of the homesick, okay. And the thinking about such type of the situation, the rusking bond become very wonder means surprise, okay. So next, I almost paranoid at the thought of going away and then being unable to come back. This almost happened to me when, as a boy, I went to England, longed to return to India. Okay, so Ruskin Bond telling us next that uh, if he thinking about such type of the matter, just like that to left the India and going to other country, this type of the feeling, this type of the thinking, when he left, he completely paranoid, okay. Paranoid means become so worried, become very suspicious or afraid, okay. He become afraid to thinking about that he he go away from the India, okay. So this thought is very fearful for him, and going away them, the being unable to came back, and after going to and lifting the India to have no any chance to come back India. So this is the very terrible moment for a person who birth in India, who and spend a lot of the time in India. And this accident also happened with him, okay. With him means he has the rusking bond, okay. And when happened this type of the condition will happen with him when he was a boy, okay. He went to England in a long time, and when he go to the England, then he had unable to come back, it means he returned to India but did not have money. Why? Because he had no money to return, paying his conveyance and return to the India. So he take a 2 years, okay. So he worked there in 2 years and slept like a miser. It means he saving money like a miser. And this type of the work he did not do, uh, before, okay. It means he had never done such type of the work before. Still I had enough to bring me home. Why? Because he wanted to return home. Home means, here is the very important word, home, for the Ruskin bond, and home was not parents. He telling us that the home was not used for the parents, okay. In your language, in my language, what is the mean of the home? Someone, if someone asks to you that what is the home for you, what is the mean of home for you, then you telling us that when a father, a mother, a sister and brother will make in a room, that become a home, okay. But here is the Ruskin Bond tell us that home means not here a parents, okay, not brother and sister, they were no longer here, okay. Home for me was India. So he telling the very important statement that the for him home means was India, okay. He is he is telling us that the whole India is a home of Ruskin bond. That's clear. So next, so what is it that keep meal here? Okay, and now he talking about that what is the fact, which is the fact is important for the him, that he, that fact kept him in India. Okay, by birth I take too closely after a Nordic grandparents to pass for a typical son of the soil. Okay, so he telling us next that his face, his look, all things Nordic means it looks like a European person. You can see here Nordic means North European, fair, tall, golden hair and blue eyed. Okay, so uh, Ruskin Bonds looks like a European, and why? Because he has a golden hair and his face is long and white. So all his faces looks like a Englishman. So here is the his birth is in India. Okay, but he is closely after a Nordic grandparents. It means his parents father and grandparents belongs from the Europe country. And